Here we have an extra question of coordinate geometry based on distance formula, but a little different from that. The base PQ of two equilateral triangles PQR and PQR dash with side 2A lies along y-axis such that the midpoint of PQ is the origin. Find the coordinates of R and R dash. So for this we will draw a figure to support our answer. In such questions, if we draw the figure, it always helps to get the right value of the answers. We are just making an imaginary figure. This is the Cartesian plane of x-axis and y-axis, and this is the origin. Now let us make two equilateral triangles. So this is this equilateral triangle. On one side we have this PQ which is along y-axis, and another equilateral triangle. And this is another equilateral triangle on another side of PQ. Let this be R and this be R dash. So we have triangle PQR and triangle PQR dash, both are equilateral triangle, and the sides we are given 2A. So each side of the triangle is 2A, and this O is the midpoint of PQ. The origin is the midpoint of PQ we are given in the question. That means if this side is also 2A, because it is also a side of the equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. So this side PQ will be divided into two equal parts, and these parts will be A. So we have to find out the coordinates of R and R dash. So we have in triangle POR, this triangle POR, you can take any triangle, all are equal, all are same. I have taken this triangle. In this triangle POR, we have angle O is equal to 90 degree, because x-axis and y-axis both are perpendicular to each other at the origin. So angle O is equal to 90 degree. So we can apply here by Pythagoras theorem. Says that hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So we have the hypotenuse is 2A whole square is equal to PO, which is A, plus OR we have to find out. So 4A square is equal to A square plus OR square. That implies 4A square minus A square is equal to OR square. This implies that 3A square is equal to OR square. So if we remove the square from both sides, OR will be equal to under root 3A square. Therefore, OR will be equal to, now A will come out from the square root, will become A under root 3 unit. Okay. Now As per the figure, as both the triangles are equilateral triangle, so being in the Cartesian plane, distance OR will be equal to OR dash. Also, OR is equal to OR dash and both is equal to A under root 3. Now this means that if we have to find the coordinate of R and R dash, and distance OR is equal to A under root 3, and this side which is on the negative part of x side, so this distance OR will be equal to minus A under root 3. Basically in value they both are equal, but being on the sides of the axis, one is on the positive side, other is on the negative side, so distance OR will be equal to, OR dash will be equal to minus A root 3, and distance OR will be equal to A root 3. That implies coordinates of R will be equal to, now being on the positive side of x-axis, the coordinates of OR, now this OR is along y-axis, and any point on the, this point OR is along x-axis, and any point on x-axis has the coordinate x comma 0, because on x-axis y is always 0. So the coordinate of R can be written as A under root 3 comma 0, and coordinates of R dash. Now R dash is the point which is on the negative side of x-axis. So the coordinates of R dash will be equal to minus A root 3 comma 0. Okay, so this way we can find out the coordinates of such points along x-axis or y-axis, and sometimes we are given the sides of the triangle or the figure as 2a or 3a something, but it can be given in terms of numbers also, which will not affect our answer.